In today's video, look out, here comes the Yoke steering wheel.
Obviously you can't drive with a hand up here. I liked kind of the rounded edge of the original truck wheel. I found myself driving like that a lot. So obviously you can't do that the same like this here. But noticing the little ridges here, which makes that kind of like that cockpit airplane steering yoke type feel, is I have found myself just resting my thumbs right here, and it's actually really comfortable to do. In addition, I find myself putting my different figures on there at different times. I'm driving a longer distance, whether I'm driving like this, or even like this. It also makes it really nice for just one-handed driving. But here I can make a one-handed turn real easily, no effort, because you know with the steer-by-wire, four-wheel steering, it's real easy. With that extra wide base it gives you, it actually makes it easier
to rest your elbows while you're driving. So I can put one elbow here on the center console and one over here on the little door rest, and now I can drive while resting my arms. It actually makes it really comfortable driving longer distances.
The turn signals work still just as before. No problems there. Your wiper's gonna work just the same. So all the settings still work just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and do a one-handed U-turn. Just a complete 360, just so you see again the functionality of it here. So I'm pulling out here, so I'm gonna kind of go towards this intersection here. And again, just one hand, you can still easily do a complete inversion. I'm actually doing more than a 360-degree turn. Still no problem. So you're not giving up any kind of functionality at all. A lot of different comfortable places to grab while you're using this, whether it's down low, up top, or one of these just single-handed. What I want to point out is I have the little carbon fiber inlays I got, and if you follow the channel, you saw me put these on a previous video. These are literally stuck to the same exact controls I pulled out that I put into the steering wheel. Still kind of fit, but you notice here if you're coming close, the cutout design is not the same, so they do look a tad silly, but also they extend just a little bit beyond all the way around than what they would. So everything still works. I just have to press them a little bit harder. I'll certainly end up just pulling these off. However, if you like the carbon fiber look and it's something you're doing in your truck, like what I have here, down low, even across my dash, I've ordered another steering wheel, a Yoke steering wheel that I saw after I bought this one, that is a full carbon fiber wrap. Let's see how that looks or that installs. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll be doing that on a future video here in the next couple weeks.
As always, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments, is this something you're gonna put in your truck?